Good day, sir. So by the way, my name is Berhel B. Castro from BS Stream 3A. So today, I'm going to elaborate the basic parts and functions of manual vehicle. So let's go. So by the way, this is the steering wheel.
Function is to allow drivers to control the vehicle direction.
And this is the speedometer.
Functions is to measure and displays the instantaneous speed of a vehicle.
This is the clutch.
The function of clutch is to engage and disengage the connection between the engine and the transmission.
This is the brake.
The function of brake is to control the vehicle's speed.
This is the accelerator.
Its function is to control the flow of gasoline to the engine.
This is the horn.
Its function is to warn others of the vehicle's presence or approach.
This is the seat.
Its function is to directly responsible for the comfort and safety of the occupant.
This is the dashboard.
Its function is to often provide drivers with individual help.
And this is the ignition switch.
Its function is to start the engine.
This is the rear view mirror.
Its function is to view objects behind the car.
And this is the seat belt.
Its function is to prevent or reduce injuries suffered in a crash.
So this is the headlight.
And its function is to light the front of the car.
The wheel.
Its function is to facilitate movement or transportation while supporting a lift.
And this is the side mirror.
And its function is to help the driver see the areas behind and to the sides of the vehicle.
This is also the wiper.
Its function is to remove rain, snow, dirt, and etc.
And the last is this.
And the function of taillight is to emit light to the front of the car.